Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your secretaries practice class 12 standard. As you can see this slide, today we are going to start the new topic from the lesson number 9. Lesson name is depository system. In our previous video we have discussed about the importance of the depository system, where we said that depository system is a very useful and the new technology to keeping the security in the electronical mode. As you can see this slide, today's topic is related to the constituents of the depository system. That means the factor of the depository system. So what are the factors we will learn in this video today. Constituents of the depository system means the factor of the depository system. So through this system, the depository can be easily understood in a practical way. So what are the factors? First one is the depository organization like NSDL and CDSL. Second one is the depository participant who will help it out as an intermediary between the company and the investor. Third one, the beneficial owner. Beneficial owner means the investor, those who are interested to buy the security from the company. The issuer company. The issuer company means the owner company, those who have a security and they want to sell it out their security through the depository system in the electronical way with the help of the depository participant. First point, from the factor of the depository. So what is depository? We have already discussed so many things about the depository. It is an organization like who keep the all the securities in an electronical mode. So it works like the central bank. Like bank keeps money safe, as it is the depository keep the securities safe on behalf of the investor. So it is an organization like the central bank where the securities are held in the electronical form at the investor request. Second point, it provided different services related to the different transaction in such the securities. So that means bank provide the facilities related to the money related to the transaction. Here the depository provide the services such transaction related to the securities. Point, there is no direct access from the investor to the depository, so there must be an intermediate who work as the intermediary, that is called as the depository participant. So there is no direct contact with the investor to the depository organizations. Fifth point, it works as a link between the company and the investor. So investor, they are not aware about the facilities and the services and the securities, so the depository works as the link between the company and the investor, so that investor and the company both can buy and sell the securities according to their requirement. Next heading, from the factor from the constituents of the depository system, that is the depository participant. So depository participant works as the intermediator and works as the agent of the depository. Second point, so depository have to be registered under the SEBI, so they can enjoy all the rights and the obligation which is specified by the SEBI under the regulation of the 1996. Third point, it is intermediary appointed by the depository, so they works as the agent, so they works as the intermediary between the depository and the investor. Fourth point, DP act as a link between the depository and the investor, which I just said to you. The depository works as the agent, they are the intermediary which is appointed by the depository, so they work as a link between the depository and the investor. Fifth point, it directly deal with the customer. It send the statements of the account periodically. That sixth point, it function like a securities bank. 7 point, it facilitates the dematerialization facilities. So there are some important points also which is related to the depository participants, so we have to understand that points also. Number 8, it created securities in events of the right issue, bonus issue and the another thing which are related to the securities. Number 9, it handle the instant transfer of like the dividend, interest and other payouts. Number 10, It settle trade electronically. That means all the transaction, all the actions which are related to the securities that can be easily performed through the depository with the help of the depository participant. Number 11, we must have the question related to the depository participant. That means what are the organization who works as the depository. So first one is financial institutions, second bank, like approved foreign bank, custodian, those who are responsible for the operation of the assets, stockbroker, clearing corporations, NBFC, non-banking financial company, registrar to an issue or the transfer of the share, they can work as the agent. Number 12, the DP, that means depository participant, maintain the account of the security of the each investor. Number 13, the depository participant has a unique number for their identification and for their transaction performance. Now the third factor related to the constituents of the depository system, that is the beneficial owner, that means investor. So the beneficial owner is the investor of the security who has availed the service of the depository participant. That means the investor, they have a facility, they can get the services from the depository participant. Number 2, beneficial owner is the entitled to all the rights, benefits, like subject to all the liabilities which are related to their securities with respect to the securities held by the depository. Number 3, BO can be also called as the client of the depository and the DP. So who are the client? Investor. So beneficial owner, they are the client of the depository and the depository participant. Number 4, the investor means the beneficial owner. Client is required to open a demat account. So whenever you are thinking to buy this security, you want to be an investor in the company, you have to open the demat account with the DP, depository participant, for electronic holding of the security. So BO has to pay some charges to the DP for availing the service of the depository participants. So whenever you are going to open your demat account with any financial institution, with any banks, then you have to pay some charges to the depository for their services. Fifth, beneficial owner is given a unique account number to the investor where the securities are held in the electronical form. Number 4 factor from the constituents of the depository system, the issuer company, that means the owner company. So it means the company which has issued the security which are dematerialized with the depository. So the company, those who are interested to issue their security to the investor, they will call as the issuer company. Number 2, it must register with the depository. So before issuing your security to the investor, before using the facilities of the depository organization, the company should be registered with the depository system. Summary of the video. What we have learned in this video, we have learned about the constituents of the depository system, means the factor of the depository system, where we said that the depository, depository participant, beneficial owner and the issuer company, they all are responsible to perform the task of the depository system. So remaining topic from the lesson number 9 we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.